Smisha Hamish Hepburn. I'm Hamish Hepburn. I'm from Carrbridge in the Highlands. It's great living in such a beautiful and picturesque part of the world, especially because I love photography. I started taking photos a few years ago, as it was a good way of documenting my travels. I photograph various subjects, like landscape, product, lifestyle, and music. Shapibara ahunum. I play in a band called Aval, and I've travelled all over the world with them. I first had the opportunity to take a Gaelic class whilst I was studying music in Benbecula. But it wasn't until a few years later that I enrolled in a Gaelic course after some encouragement from a friend. I've kept at it since, and I'm really enjoying the challenge. Ha'uiaka man and spars. I like walking and climbing. Stalum kuchach a via. I hope to continue to improve my Gaelic language skills and become fluent. I have lots of friends who speak Gaelic, so it's great to get the chance to practice with them. And although I didn't have Gaelic at home growing up, I do have family in Islay that speak it. Ha Gaelic sy'n Gaelach agus betolum sin a chomladal.